In the last video, I talked about trying to figure out how to clean up the essential garbage dump that I've created over the last 10 plus years, just creating an endless array of things. Having sorted out how to go about that, I'd like to now provide some sense of how to navigate the environment that I have created. Kumu is a marvelous environment for creating qualitative relationship models, though if you put several hundred items in it, it tends to get a bit sluggish. So I figured out the way to approach it is to divide and conquer. So I've actually ended up creating multiple maps in a single project, and in the next couple of videos I think will provide an additional sense of why I think this is such a good environment to do this in. So that all of the things that I have created, some of them are individual models, projects that tell a story about a set of relationships, and some things I've created are essentially learning modules that string together a whole set of models about Kumu or Insight Maker and how to do storytelling and the like. So this is the entry map for the Phoenix project, and if you mouse over things, and this will be true on all of the maps, it will give you a short description of what that item is with a link to whatever it points to. So from here you can go to applications, which is another map, and this has on it all of those links to all of the applications that I typically use on an ongoing basis. And there's an endless array of additions or continuing modifications to this environment that I have to make. But on every map there's also a place where you can get back to Phoenix. There's also a drop down here that allows you to get directly to any one of the maps that you choose to. Now this Insight Maker simulation map is essentially everything that I understand about the basic features and functions of Insight Maker and how to go about building simulation models. And because this is such an array of items, you can also look at this in pieces as opposed to looking at it all at once, and you can zoom in and just look at that part of it. And then, as I said, you can then use the zoom feature. From here you can get back to the Phoenix map, or you can go back here and look at some other part of it. Finding the way is an approach to understanding problems and how to deal with them, but it allows me to sort of create some order in this whole set of models that I have created over time, so that someone might be able to find something of utility and make use of it. And in the next video, when I talk about the search features in Kumu, you'll understand a little bit better about what I really like about this environment in terms of being able to find things. So this is essentially the structure of the environment. It is a set of maps that you can rapidly access any part of it in terms of the map itself. And in the next video I'll talk about neat ways to be able to search for something if you don't quite know what it is that you're looking for. So hope you find this useful. In all of the videos that I make, there will be context links back into the most appropriate place in the structure that goes with that video. So take care. Bye.